Before we jump into the 4 strategic steps, let's talk about why a faceless YouTube channel is such a great opportunity. First, it's perfect for those who are camera shy or simply prefer to stay anonymous. You don't have to worry about getting camera ready, dealing with nerves, or putting your personal life on display. But beyond that, faceless channels are incredibly versatile. You can cover various topics, from tech reviews to meditation music, without being tied to a specific personal brand. This allows you to explore different niches and find what works best for you. And here's the best part. Some of the most successful YouTube channels are faceless. Channels like Chills and Relaxing White Noise have millions of subscribers and generate a ton of revenue without ever showing the creator's face. So if you've been thinking about starting a YouTube channel but have been hesitant about being on camera, now is the time to get started. But before we get into the video, smash that subscribe button and check out that link in the description for one of my best recommendations about how to make money online with a faceless YouTube channel. Make sure to check out that link. And now let's get straight into the video. Let's dive into 4 crucial steps to start a faceless YouTube channel today. Step number 1. Finding the right niche. Your niche is the specific topic or category your channel will focus on, and it's crucial to choose something that not only interests you but also has a demand in the market. Start by researching popular niches that work well for faceless channels. Some of the most lucrative faceless niches include tech reviews. Review gadgets, software, and apps with voiceovers and screen recordings. Meditation and relaxation. Create calming content like nature sounds, ambient music, or guided meditations. Top 10 lists and facts. Curate interesting facts or lists on various topics with a voiceover. Animation and whiteboard videos. Explain concepts or tell stories using animations or whiteboard drawings. Gaming. Stream gameplay footage with commentary or tips without showing your face. DIY and crafting. Show hands-on tutorials for crafts, recipes, or home improvement projects. Choose a niche that resonates with you and has a proven track record of success on YouTube. Remember, the key to a successful niche is balancing your passion with profitability. Step number 2. Analyze your competitors. Once you've narrowed down your niche, it's time to analyze your competitors. Look at what other channels in your niche are doing. What kind of content are they producing? How are they engaging with their audience? What strategies seem to be working for them? Use tools like vidIQ or TubeBuddy to gain insights into their video performance, keywords, and optimization tactics. This will help you to identify gaps in the market and come up with ideas for unique content that stands out. Step number 3. Define your unique selling proposition, USP. Your USP is what sets your channel apart from the competition. It's the unique value you bring to your audience. Maybe it's your distinct voiceover style, your in-depth analysis, or the high quality of your visuals. Whatever it is, make sure it's something that will make viewers choose your channel over others. Having a strong USP will not only attract viewers but also help you build a loyal audience over time. Now that you've chosen your niche, it's time to start creating content. Even though you're not showing your face, the quality of your content is still incredibly important. High-quality content keeps viewers engaged, encourages them to subscribe, and boosts your chances of going viral. Before you start recording, take the time to plan your content. Create a content calendar to organize your ideas and schedule your uploads. Consistency is key on YouTube, so aim to upload at least 1 video per week. Plan out your video structure, including the introduction, main content, and conclusion. Make sure each video provides value to your audience, whether it's educating, entertaining, or inspiring them. Next, invest in good equipment. You don't need a fancy camera, but you do need good audio and visual quality. Invest in a quality microphone for clear voiceovers or use 11 Labs software for human voiceovers. Also, use screen recording software like OBS Studio for tech reviews or tutorials. For other types of videos, you can use animations, slideshows, or even royalty-free stock footage. The goal is to make your videos visually appealing and easy to follow. Next, you want to write a compelling script. Even though your face won't be on camera, your voice will be. Write a script that's engaging, persuasive, and flows naturally. Use your script to guide the viewer through the content, making sure to keep their attention from start to finish. Start with a hook that grabs their attention, then deliver the main content and end with a strong call to action. Also, you can use AI tools like ChatGPT or TubeMagic to write your content. Next, edit your videos professionally. Editing is where your content comes to life. Use video editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or even free options like DaVinci Resolve to polish your videos. Cut out any unnecessary parts, add background music, and include text overlays or animations to enhance the visual appeal. A well-edited video will keep viewers engaged and increase your watch time, which is crucial for YouTube's algorithm. Also, you can use Pictory AI to create the entire video for you. All you have to do is enter your content and click Proceed. Creating great content is just the first step. To make money with a faceless YouTube channel, you need to get your videos in front of as many eyes as possible. That's where optimization comes in. Just like with blog posts, keyword research is essential for YouTube videos. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner, Ahrefs, or TubeBuddy to find keywords related to your niche that have a good search volume but aren't too competitive. These are the keywords you'll want to target in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Next, craft SEO-friendly titles. Your video title is the first thing viewers see, so it needs to be both catchy and optimized for search. Include your target keyword in the title, but also make sure it's intriguing enough to make people want to click. For example, instead of just titling your video Tech Review, you could go with something like Top 5 Budget Gadgets Honest Tech Review. Next, write your descriptions and tags. Your video description is another place to include keywords, but don't just stuff it with them. Make it informative and engaging. Write a summary of the video content, include links to relevant resources, and encourage viewers to like, comment, and subscribe. Tags are also important for helping YouTube understand what your video is about, so use a mix of broad and specific tags that relate to your content. Before we get into step number 4, smash that subscribe button and check out that link in the description for one of my best recommendations about how you can make money online with a faceless YouTube channel. Make sure to check out that link. And now let's get back to the video. Step number 4, create click-worthy thumbnails. Even though your channel is faceless, your thumbnails should still be eye-catching. Use bold text, bright colors, and clear images that represent the content of your video. Tools like Canva or Adobe Spark are great for creating professional-looking thumbnails quickly and easily. A strong thumbnail can significantly increase your click-through rate, CTR, which is a key factor in YouTube's algorithm. Building a successful faceless YouTube channel takes time, but with the right strategies in place, you can achieve sustainable growth and long-term success. Consistency is one of the most important factors in growing a YouTube channel. Stick to a regular upload schedule so your audience knows when to expect new content. Whether it's once a week or twice a month, choose a frequency that you can maintain over the long term. Consistency helps build trust with your audience and signals to YouTube's algorithm that your channel is active and reliable. Keep learning and adapting. The digital landscape is constantly changing, and YouTube is no exception. Stay up to date with the latest trends, algorithm updates, and best practices by following industry blogs, participating in forums, and learning from other successful creators. The more you learn and adapt, the better positioned you'll be to grow your channel and stay ahead of the competition. Focus on building a brand. Even though you're not showing your face, your channel can still have a strong brand presence. Develop a consistent visual style, tone, and messaging that resonates with your audience. Your brand is what makes your channel recognizable and memorable, so invest time in crafting it carefully. A strong brand can also open up additional revenue streams, such as brand partnerships and merchandise sales. As your channel grows, you may even want to expand your brand beyond YouTube by creating a blog, a podcast, or even launching a related product line. Always think long-term. While it's important to focus on short-term growth, always keep the long-term in mind. Building a successful faceless YouTube channel is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay patient, stay committed, and stay focused on your goals. The more value you provide to your audience, the more your channel will grow over time. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to start and grow a faceless YouTube channel. From choosing the right niche to creating high-quality content, optimizing for discovery, and scaling your channel, these strategic steps will help you build a successful and profitable faceless YouTube channel without ever showing your face on camera. Remember, the key to success is consistency, creativity, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Whether you're looking to create a side hustle or build a full-time income stream, a faceless YouTube channel can be an incredibly rewarding and lucrative venture. Thanks for watching, and remember, the link mentioned in this video can be found in the description below. If you found this video helpful, subscribe, smash that like button, and share it with your friends. For more make money online opportunities and tips, click or tap on my next video and I'll see you there.